What's going on, guys? 3G Racing here, back at you with another video today. As you can see right down here below me, I have my new INVIDIA N1 exhaust. Came in early, so we're going to get this on the car today. We're going to unbox it for you guys real quick, and let's get right into the action. Alright, so we're about to open this up here, get our first reveal of the product, so let's see it. Packaged up nice here. It was a way bigger box than I expected. Oh, it even came with a sticker here. Come zoom in on the sticker right here. Got a nice gold INVIDIA sticker. Got all the gaskets and bolts right here. Much better quality than the DNA motoring one that I had before as well. Get all this stuff out of here. And here it is, guys. Here's the full exhaust. $600, got it on Amazon. And as you can see, so use this pipe for example. It's 2.5 inches wide instead of 3 inch that I have on the car. Should help reduce the rasp and just make it overall better sounding for the car. So, I'm gonna go install this on the car and let's get right into the action. Alright y'all, so to start, I got the car jacked up here. What we're gonna have to do is take off our old exhaust first. So I'm starting to take off the bolts on that. And then once that's off, we'll put the new one on. Alright guys, so I got both the two back pipes out here. Just have the one that connects up to where the cat would usually be left to go. And then, as you see, I got the wheel off. It's jacked up very high right now. But that's what you got to do to get off this back pipe. There's really a lot of wiggling around since it's so big. Doesn't really fit anywhere, but yeah, we're getting there, almost there. Alright, guys, and just like that, got the old exhaust system off. All the way up there to up where the Y pipe is. And there's my dad. And now I just got to put the new system on the INVIDIA and we'll see how it sounds. And for those of you who are wondering, this exhaust that I had on previously was the DNA motoring catback exhaust. I'll throw a clip in right here. It sounded like, personally I wasn't a big fan, so happy I'm making this step up in the world going to INVIDIA. Alright guys, we're getting to it. As you can see down here, I got the first two pipes here for the catback because I have to get the actual muffler part on now. So it's going well, everything's just loosely fitted in there, and I'm going to tighten everything down and then we'll hear the start up. Alright guys, we got the final piece here. As you can see, INVIDIA high performance exhaust. This is one nice piece compared to the last one, I'll tell you that. Very excited to get this in the car. Alright guys, and there's also this little silencer here too, which I didn't know came with it, but we're going to give it a try, see what it sounds like. We'll get a comparison of what it sounds like with it and without it. And yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. So, alright guys, so I finished tightening everything up. Everything's in down here. Gonna give it a start up in a second, and it's even flush with the bumper too. Great fitment on this product. Couldn't be happier. Now let's see how it sounds. Alright, so the first startup we're gonna do is gonna be with the silencer on. So it shouldn't be as loud. See what it sounds like. Let's go. Alright guys, now the moment we've all been waiting for, the sound clip. Here we go. Alright, like I said, we'll be starting off with the silencer, so. That rattles because I didn't tighten this all the way, but as you can hear, that's a lot quieter, and I can actually probably drive around town at night with that. So that's good. That's good progress. But we're gonna take it off and see what that sounds like. Alright, now for the clip y'all are waiting for. We got no silencer in there. Let's start her up. It does sound a lot better, guys, so I'm happy with that. I don't know which way I'm gonna run it yet, but we'll see. But let's go take it for a drive. What's up, guys? 3G Racing, and that's my exhaust clip.